Hey y'all gamers, you already know who I am. Now, if you looked at our poll recently, you would know we asked the question, what do you truly think will come out first? Mandarin's Ring 1 3/4 War for Mandarin, or GTA 6? Well, after recent delays, our team and I are very confident that Mandarin's Ring 3 is coming out first. Not telling you when, but it's coming out first. But that's up to you to decide. What do you think, Larry?
I can talk. I love to talk. I'm not talking this damn thing over talk.
Trailer's coming out soon. Remember that. That's all, folks.